We will try to see how to change the color of the canvas, pen color, pen width, and we will try to draw a flower using that. So canvas color, see here how to come up with this color is you can just go to tools, you can go to color picker. So here you can give the color you want. So here we have given 255. You just give it here and you will see what color it comes. 55 and 130. So you can see this is the canvas color, so that's why you are getting this value. If you want to change it as 0, it will be like this. So like this you can pick. And for pen color also same way. So it is 0. So pen width is the size. You can copy this or paste to the editor and you can do. So this is how you can set canvas color, pen color and pen width. That's all. And this is as usual I am using the repeat loop, forward and then turn right to draw a flower and go to 145 and direction 0. I am giving after this where it has to go. So we will see how it runs. So you don't have any function also here. Tree will be there. Just run and show you. So you can see it repeats this loop. That loop is completed, then it goes here and it comes. So this whole thing is repeated 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 petals it has done. This is the 5th petal, 6th one, 7th, 8th. That's all. So 8 petals we have drawn, and after that go to 145 is after that it has moved here. So you can even give SH so that it will hide. So I am just giving this highlight. So sprint hide has happened. So we can just change the color here. So flower color I am going to change. So like this. So you have to give 87 and 87, 111. So like this I am copying and you can close it, and now we will run. It should come in pink flower. So that's all. I will just change the width also. Width is the thickness of, you can see here, the thickness is reduced. If you make more than 10, you can never see the shape also. Mostly, see this how you get 15 like this. So depending on this width, you can change. You can even change the canvas color 0. See this like this. Go here, color picker, 3 to 55 and then 11. So I am changing this to 2. So this is how you can keep changing. This repeat loop is just to form the loop. So if you are not aware of the basic circles, you can see the other videos. Thank you.